I guess I'm finally here. My parents already kept the school supplies in there. So what now?
Hey, I'm Sport the Sparrow. And you?
Oh, I'm Annie the Budgie. I heard you were gonna be my tour girl.
Yeah, I am. By the way, there's no flying allowed in the school, but you can fly outside.
Are there any uniforms?
Nope. Oh yeah, Annie, also, you are my roommate.
How do you know?
The teacher told me.
Why did you stop? Run!
Hey, Shorty.
Who are you?
Chris, shut up. That's my little sis.
Yo, why didn't you tell me that before? Well, that's the answer to my question.
After class at lunch.
Annie, I'm really sorry for leaving you there. It's alright, Spo.
At their door.
Well, our dome is really big.
Yeah, I told you. Hey, mind if I come in?
Boy, don't you have your own dome?
Nah, Chris has his friends over.